Hey, this is Josh. And if you're figuring out life in your 20s, like the rest of us, tara, let's navigate our 20s together. There's this quiet pressure that a lot of us feel in our 20s. Hindi naman siya laging sinasabi ng direkta, pero ramdam mo siya. Yung feeling na parang kailangan mo nang ma-figure out yung buhay mo. Minsan, nanggagaling siya sa simple questions. Anong plano mo? Anong career path mo? Kailan ka magsisettle? Normal questions naman. Pero kapag paulit-ulit mo na siyang naririnig, parang unti-unting nagiging pressure. Especially after graduation. Dati kasi merong clear path na mag-aaral ka lang, papasok ka sa school, tatapusin yung degree, na para bang step by step na guide. Pero pagkatapos nun, biglang ikaw na yung bahala. Ikaw na yung magdi-decide kung anong next step. At dun pumapasok yung pressure. Kasi pakiramdam mo, dapat alam mo na kung anong direction ng buhay mo. And sometimes you look around. May mga kaibigan kang mukhang sure na sa path nila. May stable job na, may clear goals, may long-term plans, and naturally mapapaisip ka rin, ako ba? Dapat ba alam ko na rin lahat ng to? Pero the truth is, most people in their 20s are still figuring things out. Hindi lang siya obvious. Because usually, yung nakikita natin sa ibang tao is the confident version. Yung mukhang sure sila, yung mukhang plan lahat. Pero behind that, marami rin sa kanila ang nagda-doubt, nag-overthink, nag-iisip kung tama ba yung ginagawa nila. Same questions, same uncertainty. Kasi ang totoo, figuring life out isn't something that happens overnight. Hindi siya parang puzzle na bigla mong mabubuo. Most of the time, it is something you discover slowly. Through experiences, through mistakes, through trying things that sometimes work and sometimes don't. And maybe, that's the part na hindi masyadong napag-uusapan. That life in your 20s is not about having everything figured out. It is about exploration, trying things, learning about yourself, understanding what matters to you. But exploration looks messy. Walang clear timeline, walang perfect path, and that's why it sometimes feel uncomfortable. Pero maybe the pressure to figure life out quickly is something we don't actually need to carry. Because some things in life take time to understand, to grow into. So lately, if you've been feeling that pressure, yung feeling na parang kailangan mong ma-figure out agad lahat sa life, maybe it is okay to pause for a moment and remind yourself you don't have to have everything figured out right now. Sometimes, the only thing you need to do is take the next small step and let the rest reveal itself along the way. If you're figuring out life in your 20s, just like the rest of us, tara, let's navigate our 20s together. Usap ulit tayo next time.